Hey YouTube, welcome back. If this is your first time here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so that you can keep track of all of our fun and exciting DIY projects. On today's episode, we're going to be installing some light fixtures. These are the standard basic light fixtures that you find in most homes and apartments. These are really typical, they're inexpensive, and they're really easy to install, so I'm going to show you how. If you're going to purchase some light fixtures like this, I will put a link for these down below in the description of the video. The parts that come in the box are the frosted globe, the light fixture itself, and then the pieces to install it. This is the center post that goes into here and holds the globe on, and the finial to secure the globe onto the bottom. There are a couple different lengths of screws and a mounting bracket. If you do not have a standard junction box, then you may need this mounting bracket. How you attach the mounting bracket is to use two of the screws in this sliding one here to attach to the junction box that you have in your ceiling. Then once you have this piece attached to the junction box, you can screw through here into these other holes. It does come with wire nuts. The ones that it comes with are pretty small. If you have standard 14 or even 12 gauge wire, you probably are going to have trouble getting these on there. So I might recommend upgrading to some larger wire nuts, and I do have some with me to use today. So if you can see on my junction box, there are two pairs of holes. There's an inner pair and an outer pair. You can use either one that you like. I'm going to go ahead and use the inner pair, and I'm going to be using the longer screws that came with the light. It just makes it easier. If you have a really shallow junction box, then you may need to use the shorter ones, but this one's really deep, so it should be fine. You just want to get them started here. So I've just started the screws enough to hold them in there. And then we're going to wire up the light fixture. Okay, on our light fixture, you will see that there are two pairs of wires, a white and a black on each side. One of those goes to each of the light bulbs. So we'll need to go ahead and remove the insulation off of all the wires. And then you're going to take the like kind colors and twist them together. So I've got the two white ones here. I'm going to twist those together. And now that I have those twisted together, I can attach them to the white wire in the ceiling. So I've got the white one here, white, white. And then I'm going to do the same thing with the black ones. Now there's an uninsulated wire on the light fixture as well. That will tie to the other uninsulated wire, the ground. Once you have all the wires connected, go ahead and give them all a tug and make sure that none of the wires come out. You want to give them all a tug and make sure none of the wires come out, that everything is nice and tight in the wire nuts. Then we can fold the wires back up into the ceiling. You want to get all of the wire nuts tucked up into the junction box so that they are going to be covered up by the fixture. So I've got all the wire nuts tucked up in there. I'm gonna tuck it up a little bit better, and then we can secure the fixture onto the ceiling. Now this is the tricky part. We use the inside screw holes in the junction box where we put our screws. So we're going to use the two that are closer together on these little keyholes, and the screw will fit through those. Once you find one and can get it in there, then it makes it a little bit easier to find the other one. So I poked my screw through the keyhole here. It comes through the round part, and then you slide it over there, and then we'll tighten it up. When you're tightening up these screws, don't over tighten them. If you try to really crank them down, then it can pull the screw through that hole, and then you'll be in bad shape. You'll have to go get a washer. So just get them up there snug, but be careful not to over tighten these and pull that screw up through that little keyhole. Okay, we've got them snug. Now we can get some light bulbs and try it out. We're gonna go ahead and screw in our light bulbs so that we can test it out. I always recommend LED lights. They save on electricity, so I always go LED. Now I'll put a link for some LED light bulbs, just the standard ones, in the description down below the video if you want to order those. Our light fixture did come on, so now we can go ahead and put the center post in. The center post has a nut on one end and the finial on the other end, and behind the finial is another nut. So we can go ahead and remove the finial and the nut from that end. And you'll also see a lock washer here. That's this washer with the teeth on it. So we removed everything from the post. One of the nuts you will need to go ahead and put back on there. So put one of the nuts back on there, and I'm going to screw it down about 1.5 centimeters. And then I'm going to put the lock washer on there. And that's going to be on top, and we'll screw the post up into the fixture. I'm going to remove the light bulb so that it makes it easier for you to see here. So start to screw that up into the fixture, and then we're going to test the distance on the globe. So I'll hold the globe up there. I've gone too far. I don't have room to screw the finial on here, so I need to back it out a little bit. And then we'll hold it up there again. Not quite there. Okay, so now I have room to screw the nut and the finial onto the bottom. You're going to need about 1 centimeter sticking out the bottom here. Once you've determined where that is, you can screw that nut up to the top, and that will secure the post in there. Now I'm going to go ahead and put the bulbs back in. You wouldn't have to take the bulbs out. I just thought you'd be able to see it better that way. Now we'll put the globe back on. And I'm going to take the other nut that came off of that post and put it back on there. Don't go real tight on those. If you get it on there too tight, you can actually crack the glass in this globe. So just finger tight. Some of the brands come with a little rubber washer that goes in between there. So if you have a little rubber one, then it goes in between the nut and the glass. Then we'll put the finial cap on the bottom. And there you go. That's how you install a basic light fixture. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you back here next time.